What's happening, kinfolk? We made it to Arkansas, baby. Yes, so we're here taking some pictures real quick, and then we will be headed to Pig Trail Harley Davidson is where we're going, and then end up hitting the Pig Trail Scenic Byway. So we'll do that as well. But yeah, we made it. Getting this picture. Let's go. We made it to Pig Trail Harley Davidson, baby, in Rogers, Arkansas. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on inside and we're gonna check it out and see what it's all about, right? Because I heard a bunch of this about this dealership from the honorary one, of course. If y'all watch the honorary one, he's always over here at Pig Trail Harley Davidson. So let's go check it out, man, and see what they got to offer over here down here in Arkansas. Let's go. So, we didn't tell Joel, but we actually brought him to a Indian motorcycle dealership. We didn't want him to feel left out. So let's go check out the Indian dealership, man. See what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah. That front end, dude. See how the front end is?
Yeah.
Dang. That's crazy.
It's got the welding engine.
Does it really? Looky here. Looky here. Man, they got a lot of inventory, bro. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, kinfolk, we have made a stop to A.G. Russell Knives. So we come over here to check out these knives real quick. And then from here, we're going to head to the Pig Trail to actually go ride the actual Pig Trail Scenic Byway. So we'll holler at y'all in a little bit. And then we also ended up taking Joel over to the daggum Indian store. Nice. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. So let's check it out, see what they got in here. hotel out here at Quality Inn in Clarksville, Arkansas. We about to go catch something to eat real quick. We'll show you when we get there. It's I don't remember the name, so we'll show you when we get there. But we made it. Crosswoods Restaurant and Sports Club. Check it out. They had a pretty good looking menu. They got some IPAs, Joel. They got some brewskis, so we're gonna get off in there, man, and see what the whole menu's about. They had looked like good burgers and everything, so let's go check it out and we'll show you what it looks like. We just put our order in, Shiner, IPA, Coke, and strawberry daiquiri. But I got what they call volcano nachos. Joel got IPA, but what'd you get to eat?
She knows the name of it.
No, what'd you get to eat?
Oh, they eat. Oh, I'm thinking about something else.
Yeah.
What was it?
Chicken fried steak?
Yeah.
Chicken fried steak.
Hey, I'm tired. Y'all gotta understand. I'm really tired.
And Gabriel got the bang bang shrimp, which is like a teriyaki shrimp, they say. That's the special today. And then Letty, what'd you get?
The Philly cheesesteak sandwich.
Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Okay. And then an order of fried pickles. Order of fried pickles. And baby, what'd you get?
I got the shrimp platter, which is the fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp platter with fried cabbage, which you've never had.
Right.
And we read on reviews it was really good. So we'll see what that tastes like. So whenever that comes out, we'll show you what that looks like. I mean, they've got a game room back here, man. And the place is like really nice. They got big TVs, nice sitting area, jukebox. It's nice and cool. Let's check it out. I think they even have bands every now and again. We got a jukebox there. More seating back here. We got some bar games. Pretty cool place, man. Pretty cool place for sure. So if you get a chance, come check it out. Come check it out if you're out in this area. We're over here in Clarksville. Yeah? Clarksville, Arkansas. So, alright, we'll show you what the food looks like whenever it comes out. We haven't been disappointed yet. Every restaurant we've had been really good, huh?
Yeah.
So, we'll see what happens. See ya.
El mundo está como que.
They got the fried pickles. Yeah, fried pickles. Let's try them. Try them out. Joel, try it out. Tell me what you say.
Oh my God.
You don't like pickles.
Let's try it. What does it taste like? What does it taste like? Is it good seasoning?
They're hot.
Is it good seasoning? Hot? You know I'm gonna zoom into that shit, right?
Right in your mouth. Just like that.
No, they're good. They're good.
Is it good? Is the seasoning good? It's got good seasoning?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nice. Let's check it out. Let me try one. Let me try one. Oh, they are hot as shit though.
They're good.
They're good.
Really good.
That's what they're good. Try it. They're good.
That is good. That is real good. All right, well, we're gonna get into it. We'll see you on a little bit. All right, folks. So now we ended up. Joel and I ended up getting. Or Joel already had one. It was called the Hey Hey.
The hey.
Yeah, Hey Hey.
That's how we're gonna feel after this.
And it's a local brew, right? So it's a local brew out of Ozarks. And so let's give her a try. Doesn't smell very hoppy. It wasn't very hoppy, was it?
No, but it has a good kick.
Yeah? Oh, the tang is there though, bro. The tang is there. It's just not real hoppy though. I like that. It's not heavy either though.
Very good. Very good.
That is nice. Hey, local brew out of Ozarks. Very nice. Very nice. So they actually have these cups here that fill for. Oh yeah. They pour them from the bottom. So whenever Joel gets another one. When Joel gets another one, we're gonna go watch him get poured. It's gonna be dope, man. Oh boy, just set it on the thing. He set it on the thing, and then when it got to the top, it was like, hey. I'm done. So we're gonna check it out. Holy cow. Let me show y'all what just came out. This food looks amazing. Check it out. Look at these nachos. What am I gonna do? Look at this. Like, that's a lot of nachos, man. Joe got chicken fried steak. Look at the chicken fried steak, dude.
That look
That's
good.
huge, bro.
And they look good though.
French fries. And then he got the bang bang shrimp.
That looks like a normal
That
size.
look- yeah. Rolls look good. And
Not even.
then, what is it called?
The Philly cheesesteak.
Philly cheesesteak. And look at the tots, man. Look how many tots you got. Holy cow. And then
There's
Shrimp.
fries, and a side of the
fried cabbage. Did you try it already?
It's really good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you. Nice. Listen, man. That's a lot of food. Everything's a lot of food, but it looks so good. So we're gonna get into it, and we'll see. We'll let you know how it was after the fact. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Let me tell you something. That was absolutely amazing, babe. Food was so good, right?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
You look like
Way too much. That's a lot of food. What do you think, Letty?
It was so good.
Yeah.
I need a bed now.
I know that's right. What do you think, bro? Yeah. And Joel, chicken fried steak. Yeah.
Very good.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Listen, I'm telling you right now, the food quantity was really good for the price. I mean, we didn't hardly pay anything, and that was a lot of damn food. I had a couple beers. Hey, right? So the Hey Heys were really good.
That was very good.
Yeah, Hey Heys were really good. So, oh man, now time to head back to the hotel because we got an early start in the morning, very early. So we'll probably grab one beer, drink that, and then night time, boys and girls. So we'll see y'all after a while, and we appreciate it. So,
Thank you.
thank you, you too. We appreciate it, man, and we'll see y'all in the morning. Peace out, Girl Scout.